Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to the channel. So, today marks day 19 of the Advent Calendar series. I just can't believe we are so far. Like, we only have what feels like a few days left. This is out of control. And I just can't believe that we are under a week before Christmas. Like, doing this Advent Calendar series has made this holiday season literally zoom by. Like, I can't believe that we are already here. So, without further ado, let's see what's in day 19. First of all, what in the intergalactic magic is going on with these celestial clouds and royal blues? I just can't wait to see what's in the box. Ooh, Flame Nebula. Well, isn't that darling? Oh, what in the Sugar Plum Fairy? This is such a beautiful plum purple. But I can't get over the name, y'all. They have really taken this celestial theme, the tarot theme. Oh, they have taken it and made so much magic. I can't get over. Ooh, how beautiful this plum is. I was about to talk about the box, but oh, this is everything. Okay, so taking my model, Miss Sunshine, we are going to do a swatch on some beautiful square e-nail couture tips. And I can't get over the coverage on this. Oh, she beautiful. Oh my days, this would be like a 4 on the opacity scale. And you just do 2 thin coats and you have got all of the coverage that you need. I just can't get over how darling this plum is. This is definitely Sugar Plum Fairy. Hello. When I read Flame Nebula though, the first thing that came to mind, I have this peacock gel and it's called Cosmic Sparkle. And as we were talking about before with all of the celestial themes and the mystical themes and all of that magic, I have to put, because Cosmic Sparkle has perfect, sorry, I was going to say purple, but it's also perfect, purple notes to it. And it's actually just like little, like unicorn flakies. And the flakies go in between like this pink purple shift. But I think putting it on top of this Flame Nebula will set this color alight. So we have to, for science, see how gorgeous that is. So here, this is the beautiful polish I was talking about from the Peacock Gel series. There is 2 of these. The other is called Under Pressure, and that has more blue and green notes. But these are so amazing. These are like mermaid skin, unicorn skin, like honestly, anything you put them on, it's magical. But when you use these deeper, darker shades, there is like this chameleon effect that happens. And I also love that it's so fine that you will not feel any bumps on your nail. Once you put that top coat on, you will be absolutely perfect. But the way this merges in with the purple, this looks like one color, y'all. Like, this looks like it just came right out of the box, right out of the bottle. I can't believe how beautifully that's stacked. And again, when I heard Flame Nebula, this is what I thought of. Can you see all of those chameleon shifts? Like, I keep trying to show it under different lights because there's even gold, red, purple, pink in there. Like, it is just giving all of the magic. But I can't get over day 19 was the most darling plum purple. This calendar has absolutely blown me away. By far, out of all 3 years, this is my favorite. And in a recent actual tutorial I did, I was using the Cali lamp, which I am so blown away by how strong that is. And you could just totally just bring this little mini with you and a couple other polishes, even the Cosmic Sparkle in a little makeup bag, and you would have everything you need to do manis on the go. And how beautiful would that be on all of your phalanges? Come on now, you don't even have to do no nail art. It is just so beautiful. This is why I also love Madame Glam's toppers. They're no wipe top coats. They have ones that have gold in them. They have glitter ones. They have all sorts of different effect polishes and specialty top coats. And you really got to check them out because look how amazing that effect is. And you don't have to faff. You don't have to take any, angel flakes out or anything like that. I like to call them raven flakes. But you don't have to take any of those out. Just the polish and you're good to go. Like, I am madly in love with that finish. Oh, I can't thank you enough, my beautiful nail family. This series has been such a love project of mine, and now that we are getting such a color story, I'm going to start bringing out sets, the Advent Calendar series sets. So please stay tuned, because if you heard in yesterday's video, the very first set that I do using the polishes from the calendar is going to be a giveaway video where you can get from the new collection. I'm gonna get into all the goodies, but you know that House of Reflections? You can get some colors from that collection if you enter the giveaway. So make sure you have your notification bell on, because all of the information is going to be in that video. Oh, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you for day 20. I love you, my beautiful nail family. Mwah. Happy holidays.